Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Revolut to your Phantom wallet. So first of all, for that you need to simply open your Phantom wallet, and here on the home page you will see the receive option. So tap on receive, and here you need to copy the Solana address. So tap on the copy button right next to Solana, and your address is now copied. Now you need to launch your Revolut app and then go to the crypto tab. There you need to select Solana from your portfolio. Tap on the send option, choose withdraw crypto wallet, and paste the Phantom wallet address that you have just copied from your Phantom wallet. After entering the amount of Solana that you want to send, you just have to simply double check that the address, and you need to just confirm your withdrawals. Now once your withdrawals are completed, you will be able to get your Solana from your Revolut account to your Phantom wallet, just like this one. Now in order to just view that transaction, you need to tap on this clock icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in your Phantom wallet, and you will see all of your transaction history over here. So if this helped, just drop a super thanks and hit the subscribe button for more quick crypto guides. Thanks for watching.